Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore your ledger flex from a seed phrase or recovery phrase. So this video will only show you one step from the setup, which is restore. If you want to watch the whole setup, there is a video on our channel on it, but it shows the setup as a new ledger. So you can combine those videos if you wish, or if you just don't know how to set up the whole device and want to restore it, but not set up as new, then you can just combine these two videos or do something like this. So you just understand it. Or if you know how to set it up but don't know how to restore it, this video is gonna be for you. So select restore when there's an option for it. Then I'm gonna be restoring it with secret recovery phrase because I don't have any subscription, and I also don't find this subscription to be very secure. So now you can select how long is your recovery phrase. It's either 24, 18 or 12 words. I'm gonna select 24 and now type in your first word. Then once you type it in at least partially, you'll see different options here to choose from, and you can click on one to approve it, and now type in the number 2 word and continue until the last word, and it'll be basically set. So I'll just get back to you when that's done. Also, I've forgotten to tell you that it's very important to not to share your recovery phrase with anyone. I've just shown you 2 words and I won't show you any more. Yeah, don't share it with anyone. Make sure that your recovery sheet is a piece of paper, not your phone, especially if your phone has or will have access to internet. And also that you do it in a place without any cameras. I'm doing it with a place with cameras, but only because I'm gonna be transferring very small amounts, and these are my own cameras, so I can do that. But really, just don't do it in a place with cameras, and don't share your recovery phrase with anyone. Once the last word was entered, it'll start confirming. Then you can click on the screen to continue. Let's tap a few more times, and now it's set up. So you can connect it to your app, download different apps on the device, like different assets, different networks, different crypto like Bitcoin or Ethereum or Solana, and later on use it with the app. There are videos on different things on the channel, so I hope that if you need them, you can watch them. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.